hard to say which one's more cruel, that cold black seam down Quinnimont mine, or the way the company treats we poor fools, whose work ever keeps us from sunshine. Gondolas rail down to us in darkness, sweat stained below the brake line. When they rise to the light, we're left behind, last men standing of our dying kind. Canary sings her song, we work on and on, caged from wing. What does she dream of? Grandpa passed in the fires of red ash, and Pa worked until he couldn't walk. Yet here I stay and bitch while the rocks break my back. But someday I'll do more than talk. Canary sings her song, we work on and on, caged from wing. What does she dream of? One day I'll leave this darkness, climb those Appalachians blocking out the sky, cash my pay, I walk through rhododendrons, see the islands of the oceans before I die. Canary sings her song, we work on and on.